Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold has already made a high of around $2075, and if you look at this particular chart, this is a resistance which is already being a weak resistance. So chances was very high that if the price comes close to this particular level, it can cross that particular zone, and it has already made a high. You can check my videos where I have explained you that if the price move above a level of 1965, chances was very high it can cross this particular zone. You can go and check my videos where I have categorically telling you since a year that this probability can be there. After that, what we have seen, this particular high and a fall has come. Okay, and this is the previous high. What we have told you that this is the price, that is where it has moved above a level of $2079 and made a half around 2083. Okay, you can go and check my videos where I have told you this. Okay, and this is the fall. Now again you have to keep a note of it that if the price comes close to a level of $16-17, okay, that comes to close to it level, then it should be like 1619 or 1630, means it should come close to this particular level, and chances are very high it can cross this particular zone and can make a new high. That means it can cross this particular zone and can go further down, because and this level can go towards a level of around, you can say 1573 or 1519, you can say. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description, you can join that too. See, look at this particular chart. Now it is trading at a level of $1951.84. Okay, it is in this zone. Okay, a swing is forming at this particular level, and it is a high at a level of $2083. That you have to keep it in mind, that if the price comes close to this particular level, we can see a bounce back can come, because this is a strong resistance. Okay, now it is trying to form a doji candle, as you can see looking at this particular chart. Okay, probability is very high. Suppose if this level sustain, and chances of sustaining is on a higher side, but overall trend is downside. Okay, suppose if the price sustain, it can go towards a level of around $1957.4. Okay, and if the price move above that particular level, this $1954.4 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it can go further upside, and a probability is that it can touch a level of around 1916. That is also being tested here. Okay, and after 1916 we can see a level of 1964, because all these levels are being tested here, as you can see looking at this particular chart, and there can be a breakout, as you can see that it is trying to form a zone. Okay, so once this trend line break upside, then probability of going towards after 1964, we can see a level of 1969. That is also being a weak resistance, so chances of crossing that particular zone will be there, and we can see a level of $1976, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1984. These are all levels being tested here. Okay, so chances of crossing a level of 1984 will also be there if the price sustain above level of 1976 to a level of 1984, and from there we can see it can cross that particular zone, and a probability of going towards 1993 is there. Okay, and if the price sustain above this level, probability of going further upside will be there, and chances of touching a level of around 2000 is there, and once the price sustain above 2000, you can see more further upside movement for the price of gold. Now something that you have to understand here is that the market is always uncertain. Okay, there will not be a big event. If there is a big event, then we can see a huge volatility in the market, but if there is no big event, you will see that the market moves like this normally. Okay, in a big movement with a big volatility. Otherwise, if it has to come down, it will hold for some time. That is how the market moves. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, because overall trend you can see it is moving a downside, but if it sustain above a level of 1956 or 1961, that is where we can see it can go further upside. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, a probability of going towards a level of around $1947.78 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level, chances of going towards 1945.4 it is there. and once the price fall below this level, it can cross a level of around 1940.91 and can cross that particular zone, and chances of going towards a level of around 1937 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below 1937, then we can see it can move further down, and a probability of going towards 1931.78 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can go further low towards a level of 1923. Okay, once the price fall below 1923, then you have to understand that a probability that it can go further low, because that is a level we have seen it is already being broke this particular zone. Okay, and this level we have not seen since March of 2023, so chances are high it can touch a level of 1917. If the price fall below 1917, chances of going towards 1906.90 is there. If the price fall below that particular level, chance of touching a level of 1895 is there. Okay, and if the price fall below that level, then we can see it can go further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description, as well as I give workshop also on how to trade, how to use trading psychology and all. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, subscribe. Thank you.